In this video we are going to learn how we can create this loading spinner. So let's go to our VS Code. So inside the body I will create a div and give it a class of spinner container, and I will create another div with the class of spinner. Okay, now let's go and create our style. So in here I will type style, and inside the style first I will create my spinner container style. So I will type spinner container display flex, then justify content center. After that, align item, this should be also center, and at the end height of 100 VH or viewing height. Then after that I will create styles for my spinner div. So in here I will type dot spinner and give it a weight of 40 pixel, height of 40 pixel as well, border of 4 pixel of solid, and give it a white background, white color. Then I will create a border top and give it this one also 4 pixel solid, and this time I will use this color 3498 dB. Then border radius, to make it round I will use border radius of 50%. And okay, our spinner is ready. Now let's create our animation. So for that in here I will type keyframe and give it a name of a spin. Then inside this I will type start from 0%, transform, rotate 0 degree, then on 100%, transform, rotate 360 degree. Okay, now let's connect this. So let's copy this, and in here let's type animation and spin, the name of our keyframe. So spin 1 second, the duration of this, so this animation should be completed in 1 second, and linear infinity, do this infinite time. So let's save everything. As you guys can see, it's spinning. So this is the way we create animated loading spinner in HTML and CSS.